Here guys, if you can remember, ito ang pinakamalapit sa atin na BTS, Ratchatewi ang tawag dyan. Tapos yan, maglalakad lang tayo ng 5 minutes. Nasa hotel na tayo. So, from hotel going to Platinum Mall, kung gusto nyo lakarin, mga 15 minutes lang siya guys. Na mainit. Na mainit. So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung facade ng hotel natin. Ayan. So, here, may 7-Eleven. Pero, on the other side of the hotel, may 7-Eleven din. Here's the neighborhood. There. Para tayo nasa may Makati-ish, guys. Ito guys, near the hotel, highly recommended ko dito. Diyan, kain kayo dito. Massage din near the hotel, guys. Ayan. Ito guys, alam niyo yan. So, here's our hotel. We're staying again at Bangkok City Hotel, guys. Ayan. Showing you the facade. Merong milk tea shop in front, tapos may mga tuk-tuk din in front. Madali rin kumuha ng taxi dito. Ayan, by the road. Yan, pasok tayo. Bangkok City Hotel. And I'll be giving you a room tour. So, here's the lobby, guys. Tapos, here din where you'll have your breakfast. Ayan. And also, welcome drinks. And hindi pa kayo mag-check-in, pwede nyong iwan dito yung mga luggage. So, here, guys, is the rates of the room if you directly book from their website. Pero if you book naman from Agoda, sa Agoda ako, our room cost us around 2,000 per night. Ayan, check-in na tayo. It's 5 PM now. Yan. Check-in here is at 2 PM. So, tomorrow, dito tayong breakfast. Even this room is also intended for breakfast. Let's go! Ang sarap ng malamig! We have Vendo also here. 11. Going up. Up. So, here's the room. Saan ako nag-room before? Parang sa ganyan ito. Kami nag-room. So, ito.
Hey guys! Joyce Yapit Bartolome here. So for today, I'll be showing you our room here in Bangkok, Thailand. So let me welcome you to my channel, Joyce in Bangkok, Thailand. Hey! So yun guys, we stayed again in Bangkok City Hotel. So if you want to see another room tour, well basically pare-pareho lang naman siya. Pero you see here more of the facade. And papakita ko sa inyo even yung breakfast nila. Cause free rin ito sa nabook natin room. So let's go! We booked a deluxe double room. Ayan. Let's go. So when you come here in the room, you have here a full-length mirror na yun din na nagsuserve as their closet. So you have here the closet, meron tayo dito na slippers, then you have here also the hangers. So yan, check natin the other side. So other side naman guys, ayan, ganun pa rin. Closet pa rin siya. Okay. So yan, para bago tayo lumabas, naka-ready na ang ating sarili. Kita natin sa kanilang full-length mirror. So now, let's go to the bathroom. So tara, pasok tayo sa bathroom. Let's go. So you guys, you have here then a big mirror where you have also their toiletries. May basic sila na shampoo, conditioner, meron din silang shower gel, you have their soap, and you have shower cup. Tapos meron yung extra dito na tissue, and then meron din dito ng mga baso. So, hindi nyo na rin kailangan magdala ng hair dryer because they also have one. Ayan, nagulat po yung ating cameraman. Nakasama siya. Here you have the bathtub, and you have the toilet na may pinaka-importanteng bidet! You have have here naman your working station. So you have here your kettle, your glasses, you have your coffee and all. So yan, may maliit tayo na TV here, and then meron din dito na working space where you can do your makeups. May partition din sila here. And let me show you our bed. Yan, we have a king size bed na maghihingi tayo siguro ng additional pillow. So yan, tapos meron ka pa rin ditong space. Yan, where you can lounge. So let's look at the view naman of the room. So yan, ang view natin. Ayan, ang ganda ng view natin. The view of our room is yung kalsada natin. Ayan, makita nyo. Parang from here, kita nyo ang Prato Nam. So there guys, hope you like our fast lang na room tour here. I'll be sharing with you rin ang reviews ko sa kanilang breakfast guys. So ayun, hope you like the vlog for today. And if you're gonna ask me why always check in at Bangkok City Hotel, kasi guys, unang-una, malapit siya sa BTS, madali siyang kumuha ng taxi, sobrang fast lang rin ang pag-check in and out dito. You can leave your storages. May free breakfast na yung 2,000 worth mo na room. Diba? Sulit na sulit. Kung dalawa kayo, the 1,000 with food. Very good na yun, guys. So, yun. I'll be showing you more of the hotel. So, yun. Comment down below kung nakapag-stay na rin kayo because you saw our vlogs from before. So, ayan na. Nandito na naman. So, yun, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the breakfast time.
Guys, ayan. This is my breakfast guys, milk tea and croissant and egg and sausage. Yan lang talaga yung usual breakfast ko guys. Ayoko na makanin, ganun. Pero I'll check on the pad thai later. Kain tayo! Sarap. Butter. And jam. Super sarap nitong milk tea na to. Yan yung mga gusto kong tea. Tea na tea. Bawal tayo magtapon. Ito ulit gagamitin ko bukas. Ah, sarap. Guys, ito yung naalala nyo last time. Binalot ko sa tissue, tapos binakong ko sa airport. Gutom na gutom ako sa airport. Sabi ko, oy, may baon nga pala ako. Tapos nilawas ko siya sa tissue. Sarap nito. Red bean bun. Mahilig kayo sa red bean, get nyo to. May custard din doon. Guys, tinawag ako kasi nagtatanong akong pad thai. Tapos pumunta siya sa akin. Very good. I-refill na ang pad thai. Here guys, tapos lagyan natin ng condiment. Kain tayo! Yum! Haha! Sarap guys. Very good. Sausage. Very good. Thank you po dito. Tinawag ako. Ayan guys, di ko pala napindot. Kapag kinuha ka dito ng motor guys, kunyari nag-bolt ka, sasakay ka lang. Tapos wala nang helmet, ano na lang, prayer. Good morning guys! So, Isabel Bartolome here. So, it's day 3 here in Bangkok. Let's eat some breakfast first. Pero di ko nadadamihan guys because indigestion is real. Kagabi talaga naman po. talaga naman po. Guys, masarap kumain pero in moderation. Please, huwag nyo gayahin. So yan, kain tayo. I'll show you again yung mga choices ng food natin. Dito sa breakfast ko nagpalit pa the next day.
May tayo nito mga condiments natin sa ating pad thai. You have then salad here, and then you have milk, water, and orange juice. Tapos, if you want coffee, meron din coffee maker here. And then you have here some more tea and coffee, cereals, hot water, and milk tea. Ako ito gusto ko. Marami dapat waffles yan and pancakes. Tapos yan, may butter bun, croissant, corn bun, tapos yan, sarap yan.
So there guys, review natin ang ating breakfast and stay here in Bangkok City Hotel. It's our last day here. One full day pero binook pa rin namin ng one night tong hotel para later when we go around makapag-freshen up, makaligo, makanap before we head to the airport. So yon, my verdict for this hotel, syempre dahil third time na natin dito, it's still a must visit. Ano ba to? It's still a must hotel. Tama ba yun? Yun, dito pa rin ang recommendation ko guys. Bakit? Malapit sa BTS, malapit sa Pratunam. Ayan guys, so kung makikita nyo, ayan o, Pratunam na yun guys. Kayang-kayang lakarin. Actually, kayang-kayang lakarin naman yung mga places here. Parang 1-2 kilometers siya than riding a taxi guys. Lalo na kung peak hour siya. So yun, food-wise, since the hotel is only 2,000 pesos, very comfy ang hotel room, very spacious. Ayan nga, lahat ng maleta ko. At ayan, maleta ko and lahat ng pinamili ko. Nandyan, si Jel, may sariling pwesto doon. So, yan, very sulit with free breakfast na yon guys, ha. So, 2,000, may pagkain ka na, tapos comfortable ka pa, malapit sa BTS, sa convenience store. Okay sa akin ang Bangkok City Hotel. This will be my second review pero love na love ko pa rin dito. So yan, tag me if you've been here. Tag me if plan nyo magstay here. Question nyo lang ako. Kasi marami nagtatanong the last time. Sana na-answer ko yung mga questions nyo. But if meron pa rin, comment down below. So yan, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Yabo Joyce and she, JY on TikTok. So yan, last day, malling naman tayo. See you guys later. Bye!